If I was to give you anything or promise to, what would you think if I was to say things will be better next time around? Who'd be fooling who? You see it plainly, see it in my eyes. You've had plenty of time to see the signs. And this time as I walk out the door, I won't be bound by these tears no more. Smiling in the wake of sadness, tears from your eyes crown my heart and soul. Strange thought has come home to me out of sadness. I can be so happy. I'm not trying to hurt you, just trying to find myself. Better do it now than be crying for my time. Take the way, take it slow, honey, I know it ain't easy. Just stand and take the truth. But if that's what you wanted, and if my honesty questions your request, no, you were right, right back on the track. Smiling in the wake of sadness, tears from your eyes crown my heart and soul, crown my heart and soul. The fact now sits at home in your heart, always speaking a quiet solution. Fable stories, nursery rhyme to your mind. Take the time to find the right step, to find your peace of mind. Do it now, forever hold the pain inside. I have nothing to gain by losing your friendship, so hold on tightly. What you know is right. Time will come when we will be one of a kind. Friends, maybe lovers, but something true and fine.